Good morning, everybody. Happy Christmas Eve. Can you believe it's Christmas Eve already? Wow, where's this month gone? So, it's the last day of Advent. Or is it? Because I've got Advent to open for tomorrow, which is Christmas Day. So, I want to thank Botanical Yarn, my Yarny Corner, and the Yarn Whisperer for a fabulous Advent. Really enjoyed it, and my Advent projects, which I'm going to show you shortly how far I've come with them. So first off, we're going to finish off opening Botanical Yarns, day 24, and this is the colour today, a really, really bright pink. So we started on a yellow, and we're finishing on a bright, bright pink. Then we go on to the Yarn Whisperer, 24. Sorry for the noise in the background, it's just Rick. How scrumptious is that? How blinking scrumptious is that, guys? Look at the blues and a little bit of flecking in there. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful yarn. This is from the Yarn Whisperer. And last but not least is my Yarny Corner, which is Danny and Alex. And every day we've had a little candy, sweet toffee, and here refreshers. And do you know what, guys? I love these. I love these. Love them. And to finish off, what a fabulous colour of yarn. Thank you so much. A typical Christmas yarn, isn't it? Greens, a bit of blue, a bit of red, little specks in it. Love it. So these are the 3 yarns for Advent. So, what have I been making with them? Well, with Botanical Yarns, I've been making my rainbow leaf. Please don't be knotted. Yeah, rainbow leaf wrap. So, as you know, I started with my design at the front and the back, which is all motifs, and then I've continued the colours across. I'm 4 days behind, so I've got today's, I've got the 23rd, 22nd, and this is 21. So I'm working on this. So as you can see, the reason why I've called it my rainbow wrap. How amazing does that look, guys? it's going to be amazing when it's finished. So yeah, so that is that, and that will look really nice, because I've got 2 yarns here, and this will finish on this one. I'll show you. Can you see? So it'll finish on the bright pink. So that is that. With the Yarn Whisperers yarn, I'm making the Cozy Memories blanket by Shelley Dupont from Polka Dot Creek, and this is what I'm up to. So I've got today's to put on, and then I'll have tomorrow's, and then I'm going to be using a mixture of Alex's from my Yarny Corner and Kitey's, the Yarn Whisperer. So that is what I've got so far on my Cozy Memories blanket. And then last but not least, these 3 advents is my jelly roll, which is what I've used. So I'm on the 3rd row now, and I use about 5 grams of each colour. So as you can see, I started with this colour after there was still some left from finishing, and they're all different. Not exactly 5 grams. Some are 4.5, some are 4.75. But yeah, so that is that's the jelly roll. I will have, at the end of this video, I'm going to go down, I'm going to take footage of my Christmas tree and my decorations, which I've been meaning to do all Advent, but for some reason I keep forgetting. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to have a little thumbnail with photographs of all the Advent progress so far. And the jelly rolls, the wrap will be finished before the new year. The blankets are going to go on next year. They're going to be, this is going to be my Scrappy Sunday, where I'm going to be making just knitting on the 2 blankets, but I've also got my Starflower blanket as well, which was an Advent from 2021. So yeah, so we'll see. So all that's left for me to say is thank you all so very much for being part of Vlogmas, for all your likes, your comments, for your views, for all my new members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye-bye for now. Hello, guys. Who's here? It's Fluffy. Hello, baby girl. Hello. Hello, yes. And this is one of our gnomes. You know, my Ricky loves his gnomes, and he's got little things, little danglies. And my poinsettia, always have a poinsettia. And then I'm trying to go really slow. Favourite flowers in all the world, guys, are stargazer lilies, and these smell divine. Rick always gets me flowers for Christmas, and that's them. And then we have my little fibre optic Christmas tree with very special ornaments on. I don't have a big one because I've got 2 cats and a dog, and my cats love to climb trees. And then I've got all my little Christmas cards and my 2 little teddy bear Santas. And this, I just want to show you this. I don't think I've ever shown you this. This is our family wall, where this photo here's mum and dad. That's Rick's mum and dad. That's me and Rick. That's all the Simpson clan. That's Rick and I with my mum and Rick's dad. that's Rick and I, and that's our June and I. So that's our little family wall, which we put together after we had it decorated. And then we come across to my fireplace. I don't have a lot of decorations, guys. I don't, now that I'm older and we've got no children and whatever. And there's my two old-fashioned Santas. I love these. We got two of them. And then we come across to my bookcase, and we've got, and that's my dad's shelf. That's a photograph of my dad. I bought Rick another gonk which lights up. That's a Christmas card of Fluffy and George, and that's a Christmas card of Spice. And that's about it, guys. That's about it. Just a few Christmas decorations. I would put my tree on, but I'm aware of flashing lights, and you need to be careful, especially, you know, those who, you know, can trigger somebody who has flashing lights. Let's take you further across to the tree. I want to show you a couple of my ornaments. Very big You to Me fan. We've got our named baubles. That's Richard's. We've got Eeyore, big fan of Winnie the Pooh. I've got Eeyore, and I think I've got Winnie the Pooh here. There we go, there's Winnie the Pooh. And I've got one of my friends bought me this dress. She knows me so well. More Me to You teddy bears. There's my bauble with my name, an old-fashioned car, and my cardinal, which I actually got off my friend Deb in America, which is why it's on its tree. And yeah, just a few little ornaments dotted here and there. Another Me to You teddy bear. And of course I've got a penguin, a little penguin skiing. And I've got two little gnomes, two little Father Christmases. There we go. I need to change that round. And a mushroom, got a toadstool and candy cane. And it's just, it doesn't look much, guys, but for us them ornaments mean everything, and it's just enough for two old fogies like Rick and I. But thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of my advent this year. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye bye for now.